This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Trent Taylor. This slice of heaven in Suffolk is waiting on you. Positioned on a corner wooded lot with maximum privacy, this 4-bed, 2.5-bath home has been beautifully maintained and upgraded to include new carpet, flooring, paint, and appliances. HVAC system was replaced 4 years ago. Tankless water heater, natural gas fireplace, Trex decking, and much more. Well and pump provides free water for gardening and lawn care. Enjoy the remainder of the summer weather in the gorgeous inground saltwater pool surrounded by a spacious and shaded backyard. Home is centrally located to restaurants, golf courses, parks, and Route 58 for a seamless commute. For more information, review the details below or contact Trent Taylor at 757-488-4600.